What up, gang? Hey, I wanted to give you guys a quick update on the modifications that were completed on the 2024 Aprilia RS660. The bike has transformed completely since you guys have seen the last video. Obviously, the last video was super stock, and now we've got pretty much every part on here minus the brand tune. So I want to go ahead and walk you guys through this really quickly for the next couple of minutes. You can see we did change the actual windscreen out to a higher WRS type of screen just to give us a little more coverage on the track here. We were able to go ahead and take off the bug ears, and we put the blinker blockers on here. I love these ones that are from New Rage. We were able to go ahead and put on the shorties, the levers basically. We had to kind of actually machine these in order to make it work here in Aprilia because they have a funny tab that had to be pretty much cut out in order for us to get those to work, but it did work basically. I was able to go ahead and get the seat cowl, or the passenger seat removed. Cowl was basically put on there. We removed the rear pegs basically for the passenger. Unfortunately, when we went to go put the full Akrapovic Raceline system on here, we found out that we needed to actually have the other side active in order for us to hang the pipe. But you can see it turned out really, really nice. This full titanium system here lightened the bike up almost 17 pounds. So this bike is literally ready to go. I am very, very pleased with the sound of the bike. And the good news is the look is actually super nice. I was obviously afraid of the exposure when we removed the cat basically. And I will show you exactly what that looks like if you guys want to see this really quick. This is pretty much the part that we ended up removing, which was the stock part here. And you can see what a honker that is. Just a big old monstrosity. These were the side plates that cover the thing. Obviously, we were trying to actually manufacture it to cover the side there, but really didn't find a solid solution. So Jorge kind of just said, hey, let's just leave it off. I don't think it looks bad, especially with the tail tidy and everything. It looks pretty dang good. Like I said, the bike itself, I'll give you guys a 360 walk around. Looks amazing. I'm gonna do a cold start here so you guys can hear the difference of the bike. I did a stock video, which you guys heard, which did not sound bad, guys. I'm gonna tell you, the stock exhaust, even with the cabinet, sounded really, really nice. But I took the bike out for just a little spin last night to make sure the check engine light did not go on, and it didn't. But the sound of the bike just turned so many heads because it's so deep and throaty. So, and you'll see that here in just a couple of seconds when I go and turn off the bike. But I'm telling you right now, I'm actually very, very pleased with the outcome of it. The bike is so flickable, and I cannot wait to get this bike on the track. So that's coming up here in just the next couple of weeks. But let me go ahead and just do a quick cold start here so you guys can hear the actual exhaust. Again, you guys know the microphones on these particular cameras don't always capture what we hear with the naked ear, but I'll do my best.